So we have bought Cody a Scania V8 1/18 scale with truck and trailer, and we got it from AliExpress for 122 quid, but they always have offers on, so I reckon you can get it for about £110, but we'll leave the link in the description below. But we have done a video of the 1/64 scale for this one. Also, I'll leave the link in the description below for that video, but we're going to test this one out, and oh my god, it looks amazing. I'm going to try it out quickly before he has a go, because honestly, I really want to have a go. But yeah, we'll get out of the box and we'll show you around. Ooh. Right, so it comes all nice in back box, but obviously we've got to put it together. But I did go for green because my other half loves green, so I thought I'd get away with this, buying this one because she might like it. Right, so you've got the trailer front bit. Obviously it has all got electric, and I think it all lifts up by a controller as well, so that'll be quite cool. Screws. Yep. Whatever that is. Don't know. We'll have to have a look at that. I think that's the brackets to connect them all together. But we'll put that together in a second. We'll get the truck out, and then we'll put this together quickly. Alright, put that aside for a minute. Right, this is what you lot want to see. Because I want to see it. Because I wanted one of these for ages. I said it's for Cody, but I really wanted it. But obviously, Cody will play with it. I can guarantee it. Well, it's well packaged. I did see a couple of YouTubers do this video before, and they said it wasn't very well packaged and damaged, but it did take 4 weeks to come into the country. Obviously live in the UK, everything has to go through customs and everything, but oh my god, hold on one sec. Look at the colour of that, that is, yeah, even I'm speechless, that is lovely, and I think my other half is going to love this fish. I think Cody's going to love it even more. Woo! Right, let's move that box out of the way, but look at that. Just, it's so smooth. It looks really good. Paintwork looks really good and shiny. Yeah, let's have a quick little browse around because I think you should see it before I turn the lights on and everything. Look at that. That is beautiful. Even the interior, I don't know if you can get it without it focusing. The mirrors come out. Yeah, it's really good. Right. What I'm going to do quickly is get the batteries on charge, and then I'll put the trailer together quickly, and then we have a little go. So I did a big mistake, and I kind of forgot to put the lead in, so I had to unscrew everything and then screw it back in. But I'm going to show you what I did, so you don't do it. Is this lead here is you have to push in and then screw all these in. But yeah, hopefully you don't do the same thing as I did. But yeah, it's all back together and it's all fine. I'm just gonna get the batteries and then we're gonna plug it in and see what it's like. Well, I don't really know where to start with this because I am literally speechless. £120 or less. I will leave the link in the description below, but you want to see what this will do. I'm going to try to show you, but I'm still learning as it is. But it's quite big as well. I mean, like, really big. Nozzle that up. Then the lights come on, single, indicators on, headlights up here are on, and then you've got these ones flashing, and then they're all off. And obviously, this one, on this side, you've got the noise, and you turn it off. And then these ones are both horn, don't know why, both of them are horn. And then this one, okay, so if I show you, I'll try drawing it forwards, nice and smoothly, all proportion. So I might have to lower the camera just slightly to show you, but this thing is awesome. I mean, literally awesome. Right, okay. Let's see if I can show you. Right. So there is, where is it? The hook off. So you want the legs up. So as you can see, the legs go down. And then we've got to take the hook off. I think it's that one there. And then release the trailer. And then you can drive away. Yeah! So yeah, that is really cool function. So I can probably show you without the trailer being on. But so the hook, the legs go inwards. So that goes inwards like that. And raise it back up. And then also, my cool feature is the ramps go down. So these are all on these two here. It is incredible. But the thing is with this as well, I'll show you up here, it unlocks itself by pressing this button here. So if you see the back bit there, it locks itself and then you can unlock it. So it all comes off. Like, I'm actually speechless how good it is, and I don't know why, but I really like it. I want one for myself because I know Cody's going to come back home from school and he's actually going to fall in love. I mean, literally fall in love with this thing because he will not leave it alone. But while he's not here, we're going to have a little play around with it. So we're going to try to get on the MN82 with the upgraded parts, but if you want to see a video of this, just put in the comments of I want to leave the MN82s. We're going to get the digger on as well, all on the trailer, and that is my check. I think Cody's going to be so excited to see this truck because I'm not going to lie, it is really good. Honestly, I might have to buy myself one in a different colour and maybe a different trailer because look at it, it's just, that is like epic. The green's nice, it just looks cool. Look, with the trailer it just looks cool. I reckon Cody's going to want to go out with it, but I don't think we're going to let him go out. But yeah, so cool. Very cool bit of kit. Very cool bit of kit. Put the wheels out. A proper real Scania lorry. That is very cool.
Wow, Eli, you're doing great.
gravity. Okay.